Welcome back. One of your best classrooms is the great outdoors. Summertime allows you the ability to explore, STEM, and do activities.
Yep, joining us this morning, Kristen Denzer with Tierra Encantada. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for joining us this morning. So these STEM activities in our backyard, how do you do that?
Yes, so we have two activities to share with today. The first is how to make a solar oven. So to do that, all you need is a box, tinfoil, plastic wrap, popsicle stick or regular stick, black paper, and then your s'more supplies. You're going to cover the box with tinfoil fully, both the lid and the base. You're going to put the black paper at the bottom of it. You'll take your s'more supplies, pop them in there, and then you're going to cover the top of this with your saran wrap and you'll prop it open. And then the sun will heat your s'mores for you.
No way. It's an outdoor microwave oven using solar power, solar s'mores. I like any STEM activity that involves chocolate, so this is good.
You could clean out an old pizza box that you guys got.
I suppose
right?
so.
And use a pizza box.
Yeah, if you didn't have one hanging around, you got the tin foil, stick it in, then you have a pizza flavored s'more. Well, let's talk about the benefits of some of these activities. I mean, obviously, eating chocolate's a great benefit, but what are we doing sneaking in there education-wise with our kids?
So all these activities, we try to find a basis in science or have a learning outcome for it. So with the s'more activity, it's about how the sun actually provides heat, so solar power. And so talking about the goal of the activity is really important when you're doing it with your child.
Fantastic. All right, I see you have some more supplies in front of you. What are we making next?
So next is a DIY bird feeder. So you can take any bottle or jug from home. So milk jug, 2-liter soda bottle, water bottle is what we've used here. You're going to need string so that you can hang it from your tree. Your kids can decorate it and make it pretty. Wood dowel. You're going to stick it right through. And then all you got to do is add your bird seed and hang it outside.
Oh, that's cool.
And then the kids will be able to watch the birds land and eat the bird seed.
Super that's
easy.
Clever.
Yeah.
Lord knows I have to take my bottles back yet. This is a good idea. I could supply 2 whole neighborhoods here in the northeast side of Grand Rapids. So a little bit more about your organization. What is it you do?
So Tierra Encantada is a Spanish immersion early education program. So 6 weeks to 6 years, daycare and preschool. And we serve families around the country, so we're franchising.
And did you mention an age group for these? Like how old, how young for working on these, or do you have different activities for different age groups?
We have activities for all different ages on our website. And so we have steps for all of these. In addition, many, many more, and YouTube tutorials and videos as well.
So it sounds like a lot of things are already around home. So you don't want families to go out searching, knowing that a lot of us are kind of hesitant about leaving sometimes. So basically kind of, you have some ideas for everybody to use things to recycle or upcycle.
Yes. And we try to make all of the activities that we have with items that parents have at home so that they can kind of make use of things at home and have a goal pertaining to STEM as an outcome of them.
I don't mean to jump all the way back to the start of this interview, but the s'more oven, the solar s'mores, can you tell me how long, have you tried this, and how long does it take to actually melt that stuff? I'm just curious.
Yes, we have tried it. So it depends on the temperature outside. So if it is a very hot day, say 85, 90 degrees, 10 minutes, I mean, it's pretty fast. If it's a bit cooler, maybe 60s, 70s, it could take more like 15 minutes. The black attracts the sun, and the saran wrap keeps in the heat, and the tinfoil keeps in the heat. And so it's pretty fast. It doesn't take that long for it to melt.
And if your kids are bothering you, send them out on a cold day and see how long it takes for your s'more to melt. All right. Thank you so much for your time this morning. Some great ideas. We appreciate you joining us.
Thank you.